Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Dell Latitude 7410's battery is draining way too fast. So first of all, let's change the power mode and enable the power saving mode on your device by opening the start menu, go into settings, and then go to system and find power and battery menu. Open this menu and first of all go to power mode. If you have best performance or balanced, try using best power efficiency. You can also go straight ahead to energy recommendations and here apply all of them, like turning on the dark mode, enabling auto brightness by clicking apply. By the way, you can also disable auto brightness later by going to display settings in system and expanding brightness, and here you can enable or disable auto brightness. After that you can also, let me actually remove make the brightness lower so you can see it overshoots a little bit. Now let's go back to power and battery, and now let's apply all of the recommendations here. Turning my screen off 5 minutes, so set the values to recommended ones, though I don't know why it's complaining about 3 minutes. Okay, so you can enable this auto brightness, but it's optional because in my case it actually overshoots over the comfortable value for me. Now go back to power and battery, and also let's enable energy saver. Either enable it manually by switching this toggle to the right. You don't have to switch this toggle on, basically, or you can also select the value that's comfortable for you from this list, value of your battery's battery level, or when you want the power saving mode to be turned on automatically, or you can just select always. In this way your battery saver will turn on after you remove the charging cable from your device. Yeah, go with whatever is comfortable for you, and then let's also reduce the battery consumption first by opening start menu. No, not start menu, but right clicking the taskbar and go into task manager. And now in the task manager, in this page, let's right click one of the available columns here, and let's select power usage so that we have the power usage column here. Sort your applications by power usage, and if you can see that some application that you don't need uses a lot of your battery power, you can right click this application and select end task. Just don't end any system applications on your computer. Besides, let's go to startup applications, sort them by status, see which ones are enabled, and if you see some applications that you don't need to start up when your PC starts booting up, just right click such applications, select disable, and turn it off to prevent auto start of this application. This way you will not only reduce the time of your the startup time of your device, but you will also reduce the amount of applications running in the background. Besides, let's before we restart our computer, let's show hidden icons by clicking this arrow icon right here, and here you can turn off all the applications that run in the background. They're running in the background that you don't need by right clicking such app and selecting close. Yeah, I think that's it. And now let's also go back, or no, I don't think we've been here. So let's go to control center, and here make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off if you're not using any Bluetooth peripherals. And if you're not using Wi-Fi, you can also turn off Wi-Fi. It will also increase your battery's lifetime. And also remove all the devices, or all the external devices that you have connected to your device, to your laptop when you're not using them, because external devices connected to your computer also use up your battery. As the last, no. Okay, so Also go to Start menu, go to Settings, open System and find Storage. And let's remove some temporary files. So go to temporary files, hit the checkboxes next to the things you want to empty. So here you have a lot of optional apps, but maybe but we'll also have downloads folder here, which is unchecked by default. But you can also empty downloads folder if you don't have any important files there. Then click remove files, continue, and free up some storage on your device. And besides, let's download two important applications for our battery life. So go to the web browser, your search engine of your preference, and then let's search for Dell SupportAssist. Find Dell SupportAssist on the Dell official Dell website. Find SupportAssist for home PCs and click this icon right here. Click download SupportAssist. You will download the installer file, run it on your computer, then click yes and proceed with the installation. It's pretty simple. Just click next, agree to the license agreements, and just go through the installation process. It's pretty plain and simple. You just have to click next until the application is installed. And the next application that I want you to download is Dell Power Manager for specifically working with your battery. So once again, open the official Dell website, find this Dell Power Manager page, click download Dell Power Manager, and now in order to download it, you're gonna have to provide your either a service tag of your computer, which you can find on the back side of your device. We have a separate video on how to do that in many different ways. Or you can also enter the model name, so just Latitude 7410 laptop, and then once you do that, you'll be transferred to the page where you're gonna have to choose your operating system. In my case, it's Windows 11. Click submit, then click download, and once again you'll download the same application, installer application. The installation process just as well, very simple. Just click next until both applications are installed. And now let's open the start menu. Let's go to the all applications list, and as you can see, I have both of these applications here. So let's start with the support assistant. Let's wait for a moment until it's opened, and then you can basically run the full system scan. It will check your device for updates, scan your device hardware, boost your device performance, also optimize your device's network. Just click start. It will take some time, but generally speaking, it will prepare updates that you can install on your computer, which is also very important to keep your software in touch with your hardware. It will scan your hardware for issues, and it will boost your device performance. Yeah, so everything I mentioned before. Let it do its thing, and in the meantime, let's also open the Dell Power Manager. It's gonna take a moment to open this app for some reason, I don't know. But yeah, here we'll be able to do some more things with our battery. And once this application starts running on your computer, you'll be able to check your battery health level. As you can see, for me it says fair, but I'd rather say that it's poor, but because it's drained by half from as you can see right here. Here is a kind reminder for me that my battery is gonna die soon, so I'm gonna have to replace it as soon as possible. But it's not all. The checking battery health is not all. We can also go to settings and adjust our battery charging mode. You can use standard, express charge, primarily IC use, adaptive, or custom. I recommend, if your battery is draining way too fast, I recommend setting custom. Well, basically I recommend setting custom at any point of your battery life, and then just setting the stop charging value to 80% in order to limit your battery charging, which will prevent your battery from draining in long term. Now you can set either 80 or 90. 90 will be okay too, but just don't let your laptop overcharge to 100, and this will prevent your battery from aging basically. Click OK, and that will be all. But you can also set a custom routine for each day of the week in the advanced charge menu. You can also adjust many different things for your battery. So I recommend getting to know this application better. I'm not gonna explain everything to you in this video, but the main thing is to set the custom battery charging mode so that it doesn't charge fully, to prevent its long-term wear. Let's actually check SupportAssist. The check was already completed. As you can see, some space was recovered, some files were optimized, and 0 software updates found. And I recommend running the scans once a week, maybe even not as frequent, maybe even once a month at least. But yeah, I think once a week it's a good number. We can also go to settings and see. It's not yet complete. No, it's complete. Yeah. So as you can see, the storage is also cleaned. And so I think these are all the steps that you have to take if you want to prevent your battery from draining rapidly. And that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.